Everyone wants bright white teeth and a beautiful smile, but many of the foods and drinks we consume stain our teeth a variety of shades of yellows and browns. If you're self-conscious about the color of your teeth, there are plenty of at-home teeth whitening products that effectively whiten and brighten your teeth. Today we are going to review 5 best teeth whitening products of this year, and we are going to start our list with Arm & Hammer Advanced White Extreme Whitening Toothpaste. Not everyone has the time, patience, or desire to dedicate a specific chunk of time to whiten their teeth. In these cases, a whitening toothpaste is a great option, because it involves swapping products into your normal dental hygiene routine. Our pick for the best whitening toothpaste is Arm & Hammer Advanced White Extreme Whitening Toothpaste because it's very effective, an excellent value, and has a pleasant taste. It is safe for sensitive teeth and less disruptive to the oral microbiome than many whitening toothpastes. The baking soda in Arm & Hammer toothpaste helps prevent damage to enamel by neutralizing corrosive acids in your mouth while lifting surface stains to whiten, brighten, and clean your teeth. With the addition of the bleaching agent sodium carbonate peroxide, Arm & Hammer toothpaste is particularly effective at whitening by removing both surface and deeper stains. Arm & Hammer toothpaste has a pleasant clean mint flavor and is aluminum-free. Although some people are wary of fluoride, dentists say it's a safe and effective ingredient in toothpastes and mouthwashes and provides superior protection against cavities. Dentists report that Arm & Hammer Advanced White Extreme Whitening Toothpaste is 5 times more effective at removing plaque and cleaning teeth than toothpastes without baking soda. It is also designed to prevent future stains and tartar buildup. And as always, the link is in the description below. If you have sensitive teeth or broken and cracked crowns or teeth, hydrogen peroxide and bleaching agents in teeth whitening products can cause pain and irritation and may even damage your teeth. In such cases, activated charcoal can be a natural and safer alternative to whiten and brighten your teeth. Though it may seem counterintuitive to apply something black in color to whiten your teeth, activated charcoal actually removes surface stains to clean and brighten your teeth. It's non-corrosive and non-irritating, making it a gentle option for daily whitening. Laguna Moon Activated Charcoal Natural Teeth Whitening Powder is a blend of activated charcoal, coconut charcoal, calcium carbonate, and peppermint oil. The product is not only safe for enamel, but it actually strengthens enamel due to the calcium carbonate. Peppermint oil imparts a nice flavor and also is said to soothe inflamed gums and kill bacteria responsible for bad breath. The activated charcoal and coconut charcoal powder are the active, stain-removing ingredients. Laguna powder is applied with the included bamboo toothbrush, by adding a little water to the powder to form a paste. You then scrub your teeth as if you were brushing them for 2 to 3 minutes. Afterward you thoroughly rinse the residue. It's simple though a bit messy. Because Laguna powder is all natural, non-toxic, sourced from the purest ingredients, and free from chemicals, it is safe to use up to twice a day every day, though the recommended regime is once daily. The results are less drastic but noticeable after a couple weeks. Crest White Strips are the leading teeth whitening strips due to their effectiveness, formulation, and long-standing reputation and support among dental professionals. The Crest 3D White Professional Effects White Strips are the most powerful teeth whitening strips in the lineup, and this kit includes 20 treatments, along with 2 bonus express 1-hour treatments. Crest 3D White Professional Effects White Strips are worn for 30 minutes for 20 days. Due to their strength, you can start to see improvements in the shade of your teeth in just 2 to 3 days, and the entire course of treatment can make your teeth up to 14 shades whiter. True to their name, the whitening results from the full course are on par with professional treatments. The active ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, an effective bleaching agent that penetrates below the surface of your teeth to remove stains and whiten and brighten a greater portion of each tooth. Besides the superior results we achieved, we appreciated how these whitening strips feature anti-slip technology to ensure they stay in place, which is a frequent problem with cheaper teeth whitening strips. Again, the link is in the description. Conventional whitening strips may bring the brilliance you're looking for, but they are filled with chemicals that disrupt the pH of your mouth and are toxic to the beneficial microbes there. Luminu whitening strips give you the whitening benefits you're looking for without saddling you with the problems associated with using chemical-laden strips. These strips use natural coconut oil, which is safe for your enamel and the beneficial microorganisms inhabiting your mouth. They also use essential oils like sage and lemon peel oil to remove surface stains and whiten your teeth. These natural ingredients not only are safe for your enamel and free from toxic compounds and chemicals, but they are also gentler on your gums and teeth, making Luminous strips one of the best teeth whitening products for people with sensitive teeth. Unlike most white strips, which have a bitter chemical taste, the Luminous strips have a pleasant coconut and lemon flavor. This makes the 30-minute whitening sessions far easier to get through. A standard course of treatment is 7 days, so each box of Luminous actually contains enough for 3 complete rounds. Luminous strips were created by dentists and have been shown to be as effective as the leading whitening strips. Last and the best teeth whitening product in the list is iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit with LED light. Although most of the best at-home teeth whitening products only contain about 7 to 10% hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, the iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit contains 35% carbamide peroxide, putting it on par with expensive professional teeth treatments. It is extremely effective, and we noticed results after a single treatment. The iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit contains 3 3ml syringes of whitening gel, which is enough for about 21 applications. As each course is only 7 days, this means you can use the kit 3 times throughout the year to reinforce your results. It is not recommended to use the gel more than 7 days in a row because it is so concentrated. That said, the iSmile kit produced the most significant and noticeable results after 7 days, compared to every other teeth whitening product we tried. Each whitening treatment only takes 10 minutes, which is significantly quicker than the various strips we used. The iSmile gel is applied to the soft, flexible, medical-grade silicone mouth tray, which is then inserted into your mouth. It is easy to breathe with the tray and carry on with other activities. Because the whitening gel is mint-flavored, it's more enjoyable to use than other whitening gels we tried, which had horrible, chemical tastes. A small LED light attaches to the front of the tray to accelerate the whitening, replicating the procedure for professional teeth whitening. The iSmile kit is made in an FDA-registered facility and is backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.